In trusting Wessex Garages with your vehicle's service, you will be placing it in the skilled hands of people who care about your car as much as you do. Manufacturer trained technicians using fully guaranteed genuine parts will carry out your service. They will also complete any software product updates for your car's safety and efficiency. Our superior level of service separates us from other dealers, spanning from your initial contact to you driving away in your safe, freshly clean vehicle. Our aim is to provide you with the best after-sales care around, a service you will be happy to recommend. Our core company values of trust, transparency and value are at the forefront of our aftercare service. You can trust us to give you a completely transparent cost before any work commences, as well as guaranteeing incredible value for money. And with our Wessex Vision facilities, you can even watch a video of your technician carrying out the work on your vehicle for complete peace of mind. We strive to make your service a convenient one. We can work on your car whilst you wait, provide you with a courtesy car, and we even offer a collect and deliver service so we can work around you. Arranging your service couldn't be simpler. Book through our website, our live chat facility, or simply give us a call, and we look forward to welcoming you into one of our branches very soon.